Hey, beautiful people. Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. I wanted to take a moment to share something really personal and important that's happening with my family right now. As you guys all know, yesterday, Hurricane Melissa came through and completely devastated the area where my father and sister live. The damage has been overwhelming. My dad's home suffered severe roof damage. There's water leaking in from several places, and parts of the ceiling has already started to collapse. His car has also been damaged, and he lost his entire farm, which not only is his passion, but also his main source of income. To make things even harder, both my dad and my sister are currently without power, and it's been projected that they could be without electricity for weeks. Their shop, which helps sustain them financially, was also hit badly. A lot of the dry goods he sells as a part of his livelihood were destroyed, leaving him with almost nothing to rebuild from. As his daughter, this has been heartbreaking to watch because my sister and my father really don't have many resources, and right now I'm their only support system. I've been doing everything I possibly can to help them get through this. I've called and called emotionally. I'm drained physically, I'm tired, and financially, I have to figure it out. Right now, I'm preparing 2 barrels of food and supplies to ship to them because they lost so much, especially food, and we're already working with very limited means before this storm. But truthfully, we need help. That's why I set up a GoFundMe to help cover the repair costs, food replacement, and basic living expenses while they try to recover from the tragedy. If you can donate, no matter the amount, it would mean the world to us. Every single contribution goes directly toward helping my dad and my sister rebuild their lives after this hurricane. The link to the GoFundMe is in the description box below. And even if you're unable to give financially, please consider sharing this video or the GoFundMe link with your community. Spreading the word can make a huge difference. And I thank you all so much for your kindness, your prayers, and your continued support. From the bottom of my heart, I truly appreciate you. My father also wanted me to tell everybody, Wagwan, him and my sister are doing extremely well in regards to health. But at the end of the day, the struggle is the struggle. And I know most people look at it and say, wow, they just went through a hurricane. But people don't understand that Jamaica is a small country. Jamaica is also very humble when it comes on to being in the world and of the world. It is considered a third world country. And at the same time, their electricity company, JPS, has already said that they are going to be not able to really supply or help every part of the actual island. So who knows how long my father can be without electricity. The last actual storm that was only a category 3, they were without power for over a month. At this point, they've already put in a force majeure, basically saying that they're not going to be able to help everybody, and they don't know when they'll be able to help everybody, so they don't want to be restricted by law to help everybody. My father lives in the country. My sister lives in the country. Her school was damaged, so we don't know how long they'll be out of school. All of the windows in the school are gone. As you guys can tell, my father can't even drive the car down the road. Why? One, because a breadfruit tree fell on top of the car, and now his car is damaged. Jamaica does not have insurance, you guys. Insurance for Jamaica, when it comes on to cars, is you paying hundreds of thousands of Jamaican dollars for the year, but that doesn't replace any damages to the car. Honestly, I think that the insurance system in Jamaica is a fraud, but that's just neither here nor there, you guys. I just wanted to reach out and tell you guys I appreciate each and every one of you for all of your prayers. Any donation that you can make towards helping to rebuild, helping to recover from my dad and my sister is always going to be appreciated. And of course, as his daughter, I'm going to do my absolute best no matter what. I'm going to figure it out no matter what. But help is always, always, always invited. Now, this is a very vulnerable moment for me because I'm such a strong person. But I'm also one of those people that know when it's time to humbly say, I need help. And my father definitely, my sister definitely need as much help as absolutely possible. So please, if you're able to, please click the link in the description box, donate to the GoFundMe. And again, all proceeds will be going to my dad and my sister to help to get them through this actual tragedy. Thanks, guys.